Aloha! Welcome to my Hawaii vlog. Good morning, Los Angeles, LA. Good morning, guys. So today we're flying to Hawaii. What? Yeah, so today we're flying to Hawaii, aren't we? But
look
first,
so pale.
I know, I
Oh
need
my
to do my
God.
fake tan when I'm there. But first I think we're gonna try and go to the Chamont Vegan. It's like a vegan bakery in Los Angeles, try and have some breakfast and try and have dinner as well before we get a flight because we're not going to be able to eat on the flight. So yeah, continue watching to watch that. Oh, it's pretty, it's nice. We should sit down. Or should we just get something and then I'm thinking, should we go? Health is wealth.
Do you want to get
Oh, cool.
Yeah, woman. Whoa.
Oh shit. And then wow. It's nice. Where are we going to next? Hawaii. You didn't say it in a cool way. Hawaii. Hawaii. Honolulu. Honolulu. Yes. Oh.
Be the local wildlife and getting on. Holly, want to find it? Oh, we're going to need someone to feed it. Oh, we're going to get some food quick. Get some food quick.
Why?
Because obviously thinks I'm going to feed it, but...
Aww.
Anyway, let's go.
I'm sorry, but it's crazy. Going to Target. Hey. How crazy that there's a Target in Hawaii.
Target. We love Target.
This is crazy.
Oh my god, that's actually so cool.
That shop looks so cool. Ew. That shop looks so cool.
Let's walk to the yacht club. Careful because there's birds in the tree.
Hey guys, so we went to the Ala Moana shopping centre and now we're like walking back to our resort and we're gonna get ready for dolphin quest. We're gonna swim with dolphins. going to be in the video? I'll was in the video anyway. Okay, let's walk around.
What's up again?
I think that's for dogs.
It looks like it's got a mini one.
I could wear that boyfriend needs to go. Look at the Shelly ring. Oh, I love these. Oh my god, I love the Shelly rings, Bill. Get more currents.
Yeah, like things like that.
I want to like capture the essence of what this is. Oh, beautiful fish.
Fishies.
Look at that big head one.
I don't know, why has it got a huge head? Let's walk up.
Will you take a picture? Where's the dolphin?
Where's the... Oh, I thought she's seen it on last time.
That's crazy. Those like mermaids. Hey guys, so it's the next day in Hawaii again. Today we are going to Lanika Beach. I'm just gonna get out of it. Today we're going to Lanika Beach. We're going to like look at the turtles and get some pictures and then I think we're also going to like Waikiki Beach and walking around and getting pictures. Yeah, I honestly can't wait. I'm like wearing a full face and boiling hot heat. Great. Yeah, it's so pretty here. Hi. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's stunning. Sorry. Look how close I was to you for these. And then look how far away you are from me, and you've got my feet. I don't want to be in the water. You've got my feet. Okay, well, can you just
I don't you judge the way you go on pictures.
Guys, so we went to Lanarkshire Beach. There's no turtles though, but we did get like loads of pigs. And then I randomly got like a bad headache. So we came back to the hotel, but we're about to go out again to like the shopping area at Waikiki Beach. It's like a quite a bougie area, like bougie shops. So we're gonna go there and check that out before our dining reservation at Tane, which is a fully vegan I think it's like, well, it's like Asian, it's sushi and ramen, so I'll definitely show you that. Hopefully I've been doing okay with vlogging, because I don't know, I'm just so bad at vlogging. I honestly am. And because we're not here in like Hawaii for that long, I feel like we've been like running around and like trying to, you know, look at all these things and see all these things before we go. So yeah, but hopefully I've been showing you enough just so that you can get like an idea of what this has been like. It's been really good. Yeah, so I think we'll go to the shops. I think my sister's on the toilet.
I'm too lazy to actually move. You know when you're like having a wee and then you're like, I can't actually bother to move.
Yeah, well, let's go to the shops.
Let's go.
Well, I think we're only going to be there for like, I don't know, maybe
the shops, about an hour maybe.
About an hour, just to see what it's like, and then go back and get dressed for Tane. Is Tane fully vegan?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is fully vegan, so can't wait for that. I'm so tired. It's really hot in Hawaii, so I feel like it really tires me out.
Oh, Baba.
Do you not feel tired?
Yeah, I do, Baba.
What are you wearing?
Baba, just the same thing I was wearing before.
Okay. Let's go. Maybe this way start. Pretty. I'm gorgeous. Stunning.
How pretty for a shopping centre.
Wait, that's so cool. Tree. We're under a tree. I think this is a real tree. To be fair, it could be a big tree. Looking underneath.
Oh, maybe we're not allowed then. Should we try?
Yeah. Let's try.
Can I get the sunset actually?
watching this Hawaii vlog, guys, or should I say mahalo. I hope you enjoyed it.